Yahoo! Prof here. And today we have a special Pokemon polls for you. And that is an Amazon warehouse deal. I found that Amazon is selling these. And I only picked ones that say like damaged packaging or unopened, stuff like that. And that's what this was supposed to be. But you can see water energy over there on the left. And I don't see an unopened booster anywhere. So we're going to... This is the return for this is already set up because I can see that without even opening this up. But since it's got to go back, we might as well crack it open and see what people actually did. Apparently talking when I returned that one... I returned an unopened trainer's toolkit because I accidentally... Well, I bought one in person, and I already had an order on the way with one. It was in stock. I knew I could return it, as long as I didn't open it, and I didn't. So, from what they were saying over at Target, is people will open these, not get good stuff, and then just try to return them. And apparently, Amazon is not as... don't care as much as Target does, because Target would not, like she's like, if that outer wrapping is opened up, we're not gonna take it. And I agree. That's how it should be. That's how it should. That's how it was or should have been at Best Buy. Whether or not that was always followed or not is another thing, because people would bitch. And I can say that now I don't work there. And, yeah, you see how nice that went? Sharp blade this time. I didn't just change it, but it was changed not that long ago in the Cerakote Tactical Keychains. Cerakoted. Wait, Cerakote. Running with Cerakote is in the name. Ceramic coating. You'll see it a lot of times on guns, because it's quite heat resistant. Yeah. Choose the wide. So, that's... Remember here, it sounds like loose cards? That's because it's loose cards. That's ultra super duper loose cards. And I don't see a trainer card. Alright, not a trainer card, Guys, there's supposed to be 8 booster packs in here. Do you see them? I sure don't. And 8 would mean 80 cards. That's 46. There's more than 80 in here, by quite a lot. And there's a lot of dupes. But yeah, you kind of got a page through there of... Yeah, so apparently this is what people do. No idea where the boosters are. There were definitely some hollows in there. I saw no V or GX in there. These two are still in the front, but those are reverse hollows. Don't know if that's how that's supposed to be. Yeah. So that's my, here we go. This is supposed to have foil card featuring Grimmsnarl V. Not in here. Foil card featuring more Pico V. 2 collector's pins. Those are in there. Playmat. Clearly gone. 8 boosters. Now there's more than 8 boosters worth of cards in here. I would say like 80. I stopped counting 84 because there's a big stack left. Would you put your cards back in there? Like I don't know. And a code card for online. Obviously not here. So yeah. All the good hollows gone. So yeah, I'm gonna bag this back up and send her back to Amazon. Already got permission from them to do so because I could see that from the clear packaging there that it wasn't what I ordered. It was supposed to be like damaged packaging or something like that. I gotta remember to take like a screenshot of exactly what I ordered because it's kind of hard to keep track, and it doesn't say afterward, I don't think, what the condition was when you ordered it. I think Amazon would be able to get that, because they're freaking Amazon, man. But I would like to have that knowledge, not just them. You gotta have some bargaining. If you have talked to them about it, and they, usually since it's shipped and sold by Amazon, because it's Amazon warehouse, as long as you have a decent reason, they'll take it back. And you have Prime. Key thing there, Prime. Hopefully you guys found that a bit interesting. Here are some of the things you can run into with Amazon warehouse stuff. Send this back. Create a ticket, talk on chat, message them on Twitter if you have to. Most cases you can just do a return, pop it in the mail. That's probably what this person did, and whoever checked these and reselling them didn't read the back of the box to make sure it was all here, because it didn't say anything was missing when I placed the order. There were 3 or 4 of these at the time, and I was debating. I don't remember if this was the cheapest one or not, but ordering other ones. Now, of course, by the time this is all messed up, they're no longer all on there. So, wish me luck in finding an actual one of these, whether it be Amazon warehouse and actually having the stuff in it, or whether it's a brand new one. I would gladly pay. This was 80%, I would say. That's roughly what Amazon warehouse is of brand new. I'd definitely buy a brand new one. It's just a lot of these warehouse deals that I go after are because I cannot find them from a reputable someplace I can do returns to if it doesn't come legitimately. That's what I'm looking for. And or if you're going third party seller, a lot of time the price goes way up. Whereas a lot of these like your Walmart, GameStop, Target, actual Amazon, shipped and sold by Amazon, are held by the Pokemon company to certain pricings and stuff. Or if you go to a hobby shop and whatnot, they're a little bit higher on the hobby shop, but you can trust them generally. Well, we'll see you in the next video. We're going to have some more Amazon warehouse deals coming right up. See ya.